Hey guys, it's me, Lefty. Welcome back to some more Gmod with friends. Today we're being joined by Funtime 101 Gamer and Infinite, a newcomer to the channel. And today we're going to be playing hide and seek with guns. So yeah, this is going to be a new series on my channel. Today there will be some more videos out. So I am gonna be the hunter. I am gonna be the hunter first. You guys go hide.
Because look what's gonna happen.
The game's lagging. You guys go hide. I'm gonna be the hunter first, so I'm gonna go in this corner. You guys go hide. Tell me when you're ready.
Model change for Infinite. He's actually RxQ.
Alright, tell me when your guys are ready. Done hiding.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Me neither.
Ready?
Whoever morphs.
Really good spot. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready as well.
Alright.
I told you I'm using morphs.
No, you're not. You're cheating.
Using morphs?
You're cheating.
Okay.
Don't cheat, Infinite. Don't cheat, Infinite.
So, I'm gonna need some hints. Because I'm not good at hide and seek, but yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're also going to be joined by...
Oh, yeah.
Bear.
By the way, you cannot no clip.
Why did he send a YouTube video to me?
Wait, can we no clip to get to our hiding spot?
You said you were ready. Whoever that was.
I'm going to invite Red Bear to the group. Oh, no!
Got you. I win. So, the last one that was alive was...
Was Infinite.
No. He died first.
Oh.
He died first. So...
What?
So, yeah. So, I'll tell you when we're ready. Infinite, you are not the hunter. You are the hider still, because Funtime was the
Wait, can we no clip
last
to get to our
one.
hiding spot?
Yes, you can no clip to get to your hiding spot.
I'm just gonna look in the corner. So I don't see anything.
That's what you gotta do anyways.
I know.
Oh, Infinite. We got the same idea. We got the same idea.
Why not let's just do freeze tag? Oh wait, not on this map because remember when we kept on getting stuck and it kind of ticked us off?
Yeah.
I got mad.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Yeah, we're both ready.
Infinite. Okay. So the hunter cannot no clip.
No. Neither can the hiders once they're hidden.
Unless if you're stuck in that one room.
Yeah, unless you're stuck. That's the only way you can do it. But you can't no clip away. You can't no clip away. You can no clip out of the spot.
Ow.
But the hunters cannot shoot you while you're no clipping out of the getting stuck. But if you do break a rule,
Cheating.
if you do break a rule, you automatically are out.
Ouch.
And if the hunter kills himself, we win.
Oh. Well, that's kind of gory. Just a little.
Well, look who you're talking to.
Because of the hide.
Look who you're talking to.
I think that Lefty is all about gore. Oh, and also Infinite. Tell Lefty what Dantium did successfully.
Oh, wait, I forget.
Don't say anything.
Dantium
Just stop saying that. I don't care. I don't care. Just play the game. Just play the game.
Salvaging you.
Just play the game.
Okay, fine. Oh my gosh!
Infinite
Cheese.
cheese. Why are you talking about cheese?
Cheese.
No, you said cheese.
Cheese.
No, you said cheese.
Whatever. Oh crap! I kind of no clip. Sorry.
We got 1 minute. We got 1 minute until we win.
Why were you holding your arms up, Infinite?
Uh.
Oh, there you are.
20 seconds till we win. 20. Oh, god damn it. I was talking, so that was kind of cheating at the same time, but I'm not gonna say anything about it. I was the last one alive. No, that's not fair. Infinite is the hunter now.
Okay.
Why am I shooting randomly? Hey, wait, I'm gonna kill myself so I'll get all my ammo back. Oh no, not the Infinite.
You can't use that. You gotta use the regular guns. You gotta use the regular guns.
We kinda got ticked off by that one. Because of Rockstar Chica. Dude, he's so mad at me for no reason. Seriously.
You guys ready yet?
I've been ready.
Oh, I forgot. Hang on. This time we're actually going to be splitting up this time. What the crap, Evidence? Okay, I'm ready.
I am. Stop.
I kind of okay. So here's your first hint, Infinite. I kind of blend in with this room. I kind of blended in with it.
I think I know where you are.
You should have said that, you idiot.
Oh no! It's gonna find me. Because since I'm mangled, that's the only one room which I'm in.
We gotta survive 2 minutes.
Turn the beat on.
We gotta survive 2 minutes.
Red Bear then.
On the left. Just look down to see if you can see your legs.
I can barely see him.
How about you, Lefty?
I'm not saying anything.
I'm still waiting. It's like he's not gonna sneak up behind me and scare the crap out of me like he usually does in real life. Really, me and Infinite are neighbors. So yeah, we're literally best friends. Because both of our moms are best friends, along with someone else, and Alex and Isaac, or aka Furious Destroyer and Zeke the Geek.
Furious Destroyer, John Tucken.
Oh.
Popular MMOs.
No! Oh no! Oh my god!
Come here.
No! No! You blended in! Oh crap! I'm getting chased! Help!
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hiders win.
Yes! I won!
Now it's back to me.
And that's better luck next time.
Now it's me. Again.
Ow! Don't kill me! Ow! Ow! Ah!
Red Bear!
Gosh darn it!
Bop,
Well,
bop, bop,
since
bop,
I got
bop.
found first, I guess I'm the seeker.
No, I am. It goes back and forth. It goes me, you, and Infinite. So tell me when you guys are ready.
I'm already ready.
Okay.
You guys ready?
I saw Infinite. Hang on.
I heard something being placed.
Yeah, I tried to spawn in a dupe.
What?
Trying to cheat
Ew!
Because I heard it. That's how I know. I heard the noise that makes when you shoot a tool gun.
Dude, I'm gonna do something completely mean if Lefty finds me. Guess what I'm gonna be doing? When Lefty comes around that corner, I might actually kill him.
You kill me, you automatically lose. No one's in here.
Oh my goodness, if Lefty comes around that corner, he's gonna die.
You kill me, you automatically lose.
I placed the bombs!
A minute until you guys win.
Did you guys see that? Did you guys hear that?
I heard something being placed. Okay, you gotta give me a hint since you're the last one alive.
Oh no.
You got
So
to.
wait, are you gonna continue looking for me, or?
You can't kill me, because if you do, you automatically lose. What? I heard a portal.
Oh.
Okay, I can't.
Oh no, this is the place where Infinite got killed in. Because I saw that blood on the wall. There's a blood everywhere. It's making me scared because I'm afraid that Lefty is gonna find me.
Well, I'm just a spectator.
Oh. Okay, good. You scared the crap out of me because there's a shadow body just flying. Just telling you I'm moving around.
You kind of can't do that unless I
Can we
find you.
stay in one place or can we move around?
You actually have to stay in one place.
Then I basically broke that rule. Screw that.
So you automatically lose. You automatically lose. So I win.
You might know why I did that.
Okay, I'm going to hide. Going to hide.
That's the message.
Funtime 101 gamer.
Okay.
You are a seeker.
I'm gonna count in the white room. That's
No clip to there.
Yeah, I know I did that. Why'd I grab a shock stick?
He's allowed to do that to get where he's going.
Okay,
I'm ready.
how about you, Lefty?
Hang on a second.
Hey, Lefty, since you're Lefty, are you left-handed?
That's a stupid question. I'm ready.
Sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, so are you two ready?
We both just said we're ready.
Oh.
Duh.
Ow.
You're never gonna find me.
Oh, really? I'm not? Don't say that to Lefty, because he finds everyone.
True that.
You know
Mate.
what happens to the night guards that try to salvage him. You know what happens. But seriously, I'm not gonna find you. I just snuck up to get to the bottom of the ramp easier. Is anyone
I'm doing the outro.
Oh, hey!
I'm doing the outro!
Perfect outro then!
Gosh.
No, it wasn't. I was just getting ready to say it. So you automatically lose for doing that. You automatically lose for doing that.
Aww.
You wanna know where I was?
Peter died. Where were you?
Coming to the purple room.
Coming to the...
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Stars.
Make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. So,
And
there will be
also,
more videos
everyone
out today.
subscribe to Lefty's
It's-
channel. He is a